Now, dear students, you are going to note down the word meanings of the next chapter, that is chapter 3 of your Moments book. And now, note down the word meaning of the chapter. Idiots, stupid, string, animated, nightly business, work related to night, work related to night, groceries, vegetables, astonishment, astonishment, it means amazement, अब sacred, holy, compensate, money paid due to loss, next is summoned, आप मेरी कॉपी करने की कोशिश ना करें. डू नॉट ट्राई टू कॉपी मी दैट आई एम राइटिंग by colorful pens. You have to write down only by blue pen. Okay. Burgled, entered the house to rob, jingling, rating, culprit, faulty, accusation, the charge of offense, innocent, faultless, bailiffs, law officer. Clear? Do these word meanings in your fair notebook. Now the turn of question answer. What are the two strange things the Guru and his disciple find in the kingdom of fools? The Guru and disciple found that in the kingdom of fools, people used to work during nights and sleep during days. Everything was cheap and the cost of everything was same. Now, the second question, why does the disciple decided to stay in the kingdom of fools? Is it a good idea? Every answer is everything. Everything was cheap in the kingdom of fools. The disciple had peculiarity of diet. He was tempted by the cheap food, so he decided to stay in the kingdom of fools. It was not a good idea to stay there for a long time, as one could be in danger anytime because of the unpredictable behavior of fools. Now answer third, name of all people who are tried in the king's court and give the reason for their trial. The owner of the house, that is the merchant, the bricklayer, the dancing girl and the goldsmith were tried in the king's court. They all were tried because the chief died when the wall of merchant's house had collapsed. The merchant was tried for building a weak wall. The bricklayer was tried for doing his work carelessly. The dancing girl was tried for disturbing the concentration of bricklayer. The goldsmith was blamed for making the dancing girl walk up and down to his house a dozen times. Next question 4. Who is the real culprit according to the king? Why does he escape punishment? The merchant's dead father was held responsible for making the wall weak, but according to the king, the rich merchant was the real culprit because he had inherited both sins and riches for his father. He escaped the punishment because it was too thin to fit the stake. Now question number 5. What are the Guru's words of wisdom when does the disciple remember them? The Guru was full of wisdom and when knew well that the unpredictable behavior of fools could create danger anytime. The Guru's words were, "They are all fools. This would not last very long. You can tell what they will do You cannot tell what they will do to you next. The disciple remembered them when he was arrested by the men of the king to execute merely because he fitted to stake. It was because of Guru's words of wisdom that the execution was postponed. Now, question 6. How does the Guru manage to save the disciple's life? The Guru arrived on time to save his disciple and created a drama. He told the king that it was not an ordinary stake, and whoever went to the stake first would become the king in next life. The second to die would become his minister. The king wanted to avail himself of the opportunity. The Guru and his disciple were released. Thus, the Guru managed to save his disciple's life. Okay, students, thank you. Do this work in your fair notebook very carefully. There should be no spelling mistake at all. Thank you.